Hibuan ka mga human resource management practitioners ug people managers lukop nasod ang nagtapok dinhi sa Cebu pagtambong sa 60th Annual Conference sa People Management Association of the Philippines (KONPIMAP). Gituki sa maong kalihukan ang mga trends ug issues nga nakaapekto sa labing importanteng aspeto sa atong ekonomiya, ang human capital. Ang 2023 PIMAP President si Michael Godinez may butyag nga nagkadaiyang kalihukan ang paghahimuon sa mga delegado sa tulo ka adlaw nga conference.
This is a 3-day conference, October 25 today, 26 and 27. So this will be a lot of learning. There will be like keynote speaker, we have concurrent sessions specific to our HR specialties like talent acquisition, talking about technology, and of course, tomorrow we will have the awards night. This is like really giving recognition the best practices of organizations. What's expected for us at the end of the conference is to come up with the solutions in terms of how we will champion or improve what we have learned during the conference, and we will give it to all of our members in PIMAP. Maybe new trends, maybe new resolution, or something that you can bring even to government about people management issues and concerns.
Dugang pa ni Godinez na lakip sa mga hagit karon sa HR management ang paggamit sa artificial intelligence kun AI sa mga kompaniya. Apan mas dakog epekto ang pagsaka sa numero sa mga Gen Z nga mohawa sa ilang mga kompaniya tungod sa mga online jobs nga work from home ang setup.
There's a problem in terms of people leaving the organizations because they want to do work from home. So things like that, that's actually a challenge for all HR professionals. I mean, there's like 20 to 25% now of the workforce are Gen Zs. So it's a challenge and they are the future of work.
Si Kevin, usa sa mga delegado nga nitambong, ning hisgot nga oportunidad kini alang kanilang mga nagtrabaho isip HR sa kompaniya sa pagkat-on og mga bag-ong kahanas nga mas makapalambo pa sa ilang pagtrabaho.
Well, basically it's another parang opportunity for us to learn new stuff and to be on track and to be also to add value to our existing service in the people and culture industry.
Aduna po'y pipila ka mga stall sa nagkadaiyang organisasyon ug negosyo nga nagtanyag og nagkalain-laing serbisyo sama sa payroll solutions, medical network, aduna po'y food companies ug uban pa.
PIMAP is a very important conference and we wanted to showcase everything that we can offer in the people solution side of things. So we want to show all the participants what we can offer for the end-to-end employee life cycle. Everything from attraction, retention, to engagement. Because that's a very important talent priority across industry.
Dakong tabang sa atong ekonomiya nga diri sa Cebu gipahigayon ang maong annual conference kini matod pa ni Cebu Governor Gwendolyn Garcia kinsa nitambong sab sa maong kalihukan.
That boosts our economy here. People want to come to Cebu. First of all, because they've heard so much of Cebu, and second of all, it is very, very accessible. It is for us quite a big blessing that they were telling me ito inside. If the venue now is Cebu, they get the most number of delegates because they really want to come to Cebu.
Kini si Queenie Joligon alang sa MyTV Cebu.